Hi, today we are going to see how to download VirtualBox on Windows 10. So go to your browser. In the search bar, type VirtualBox. Then go to first website. Here click on download VirtualBox 6.1. Here click on Windows host. Then a file will be downloaded. After that, click on open. Here it is preparing to install. You can see this type of interface. Click on next. Here is the location of program file. Click on next. Then after leave it as it is, click on next and yes. Then click on install. Would you like to install the device software? Install. Then click on finish. Then your Oracle VM VirtualBox has been installed. You can click on new. Then you can name it. I am naming demo. Then you can choose type Microsoft Windows or Linux or Mac or others. Suppose Linux, then you can choose the version and click on next. And you can select the recommended MB. You can add virtual hard disks or create a new virtual hard disks. So then continue. Here is your system. So that's how to install VirtualBox. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.